Hi, welcome back. In this video, you'll configure a home page navigate task. This task allows users to navigate back to the home page from anywhere within the application, such as when clicking a home icon in the app interface. First, configure the icon for navigation. Open your page. Go to the properties of the icon you want to use as the home button. Navigate to the Events section and click on the onClick event to add a new task group. Click on Create New. Name the task group e.g. home_page_navigate_tg and click on Create to finalize the task group. In the task group, search for the home page navigate task, then drag and drop it into the execution section. Now, click Save to add the task. Click on Apply, save and commit the changes. Go to the Deploy section and click on the Deploy icon to deploy all the changes. After deployment, go to the Downloads section and click on Launch Web Application. Once the application loads, navigate to the page in your app where you have applied this task and then click on Home icon. The application should successfully navigate back to the home page. Thanks for watching and happy learning.